Forms are what users interact with most, so understanding how data and interface elements work together is essential. A form is a user interface that displays data and allows users to interact with it. Forms exist for catalogs, documents, reports, and many other objects. Each form consists of data and visual elements. Form attributes represent the data used by the form. They store values such as numbers, strings, and object references. Form attributes are linked to metadata objects, although you can create attributes in the form to store temporary values. The attributes created in the form will be stored in the database, but unlike object attributes, they cannot be retrieved by a query or from an object instance. Attribute forms will only be accessible through the form that hosts them. Attributes can be used for calculation, filters, temporary storage, or passing data between form procedures. Form items are the visual elements of the form. These include fields, buttons, tables, labels, and other interface components. Form items display and modify the values stored in form attributes. Form attributes and form items work together through binding. A form item is bound to a form attribute, meaning that when the user changes a value on the form, the attribute is updated automatically. This separation between data and interface makes form flexible and easy to maintain.